Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD and the top 10 Windows 10 features that you should know right now. So number 10, Windows updates. Believe it or not, Microsoft is upgrading the whole interface of Windows updates and how they're being pushed to your machine. They give you more controls. It allows you to pause the updates for 7 days. You're able to change the after hours. And within the advanced options, it gives you more options to stop Windows updates being pushed to your machine, especially if you're a gamer. You don't want Windows updates to restart your machine when you're gaming or live streaming. Top number 2, desktop themes. So Microsoft added a new theme to the desktop called Light. I don't like Light at all. Kind of sucks. I'd rather stick with the dark theme. That's the one I like the most. But they gave you the choice of light and dark. It looks like the approach of what, Mac OS has done within their environment. Number 3, which is a pretty cool one, Windows Sandbox. This feature right here is a kind of virtual container that allows you to run Windows without damaging your actual machine. So you can install applications inside this little virtual machine, right? Inside this little sandbox, and you could break it and you can shut it down and it won't affect your real machine. Cool, right? Top number 4. Uninstall built-in apps. This is a pretty cool feature right here. Microsoft does allow you to right-click on certain apps, and I think the list is increasing every time they push out a new build. It allows you to uninstall these nonsense apps on your machine that you don't really need. For top number 5, it looks like Microsoft have separated Cortana and the search feature. In the past, Cortana and the search was one. So when you were searching something within your computer, you was getting a lot of web searches because of Cortana. Now they separated it, which is pretty cool, and I like that feature. Good job, Microsoft. Number 6, you are able to zoom in and zoom out on consoles. For example, within Windows PowerShell, if you hold the control key and you use your mouse and you scroll up or down, it kind of zooms in and zooms out. That's a cool feature. I think this feature is enabled to almost any console that you're using, so that's cool. Number 7, automatic troubleshooting features. So Microsoft given us a crap load of basic troubleshooting features that allows us to just click on it and the feature will actually go inside and try to fix it for us. So this is pretty cool. For top number 8, you're able to run Linux as a subsystem. Now, one of the key features for this to run successfully within your Windows 10 machine is the hardware. So you have to have specific requirements. Plus, if you go inside Windows features and enable the Windows subsystem for Linux, when you enable that, you have to do a restart. Then you're able to go inside the Microsoft Store and download any particular app. For me, I like to do Ubuntu, and you're able to launch it and, enter your username and all that good stuff. And then you are able to, mess around within the Linux environment with Windows. Pretty cool. Top number 9 is emojis. So you are able to activate emojis anywhere. If you hold the Windows key and period as the key command, depending on where you're at, for me, I was in Notepad, I was able to do a Windows period and it will automatically enable it for me. You could also even do it within your search bar as well, just Windows period, and the emoji little menu will pop up. For top number 10, IP address configure advanced. What do I mean? Within the network profile, when you click on edit, within the IP setting, they give you this nice little dialog box, and if you click on the drop down menu, you pick on manual, you're able to pick what you want to configure. I pick IPv4, and you got this nice little form, which is pretty awesome. Really self-explanatory into the information. I like that feature a lot. It's not like back then you were able to go inside the properties of network and got this old, ugly little dialog box. Right here gives you a nice little form. And once you click save, you're able to save your IP address within your machine. And that's it, guys. Those are the top 10 Windows 10 features that you should know right now. A couple of these features being pushed out to the latest build. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you have other features, which I know there's other features that are better than these, leave them at the bottom of the video at the comment section. Don't forget about hitting that like button. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.